Hey everyone, today we're drawing a
Gingerbread Man!
That's right, a gingerbread man. Alright, let's get started. We're going to use a pencil first and then we're going to trace with our markers.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start with the head first. We'll do like a circle here, but not like a full circle.
Yeah, it's a semi.
Right here. Okay. And now we're going to do our right arm, which is the gingerbread man's right arm, but it's our left side, right?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna come out straight out like this, and then stop right there. Good job. We're gonna do the same thing on the right side, which is the left arm of the gingerbread man, and we're just gonna come out just like that.
Just like the opposite.
And then we'll stop right here.
And don't touch the other arm.
Exactly. Now we're going to draw. That's right. And now we're going to draw the body, but we're going to go straight for the legs. So we're going to draw one leg here, and then we're going to start drawing another leg here and then connect it here. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll just go one leg here. Stop right there. Good job. And then we'll do the same exact thing on the right side. And stop right there. Great job. My right leg is a little shorter, and I see yours right leg is really small. It's perfectly fine.
It's because I draw so wonky.
No, it's perfectly fine.
It looks so silly, but it's fine.
I'm just gonna fix it up just a little bit, just to even it out.
You're making it perfect again.
Yeah, that's okay.
Why perfect?
It's not perfect, you can tell. It's a little different on this side, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright, so next we're gonna do the eyes. So let's draw two dots here. We're just gonna draw one dot, one circle, and two circles. Go ahead. Great. And we'll just do some eyebrows. So we'll do a little curve shape here.
So we're gonna color it.
Curve shape here. We might not color it, we might just keep it white.
Okay.
And the right side, that's right. Good job. Now we're gonna do a smile. So we're just gonna have him smile and do like a nice curvy line here. This is pretty much the icing of the gingerbread man.
The gingerbread mouth?
This is the mouth. Great. Now I'm going to draw a bow on his neck. So we're going to do a circle. Let's draw a circle here. And then we're going to draw like a heart shape almost. It's going to go like that.
But it's kind of a triangle.
Yeah, it's okay. We're going to do a heart shape bow. Great.
I'm learning how to draw.
Yeah, I like it. And then I'm just going to put a little curve line here and a curve line there just to have the bow look like it's a little
folded?
creased. Yeah, folded. Yep. All right, now let's draw some buttons. I'm going to draw 3 buttons here. 1, 2, 3. So we'll draw 3 circles. Great. And I want to draw some sleeves here. So we're going to draw some squiggly lines here, a squiggly line here, and then another squiggly here and another squiggly here for the pants. And now remember, this is the icing. So we're going to draw squiggly just like that, and then we're going to come back up again. That's really good. Okay, we can do the other side again. Awesome. And now we're going to do the same thing for the pants. Just going to draw squiggly here, another line on top, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other leg.
Mine's like so small.
Alright guys, so we're ready to start tracing our gingerbread man with our markers. Yes. All right, our gingerbread men are traced in, and now we're going to color them in.
Yeah.
We're going to start coloring the eyes. So I will use a dark brown for the eyes. Okay, just fill that in here. And here you go. You can use this for your eyes. Good. And then we can use a different color for our eyebrows if we want. We can keep it white, but I'm thinking I might color mine blue. What do you think?
I'll color mine silver.
Silver? Oh,
Yeah,
that's interesting. Here you go.
that's so like sparkly.
Oh,
like-
I will
like
color it
gold.
blue, and you can color yours silver.
That means I'm gonna be first place if I do sparkly.
Now, I'm going to keep the lips white for now, and I will color the bow red.
Yeah.
Do you want to color yours red too?
No, I'll color mine pink.
Okay.
I already have pink.
Okay, cool. So I will start coloring it red. Now for the buttons, I was thinking to make it multicolor. I might do mine first one green.
Cause your favorite color is green, like
Yeah?
that's
Here,
my
you want to
fir-
use green? No?
That's my first. I want to use gold.
Okay. You want to
Well,
use gold?
sparkly too.
So you're going to do your first one gold.
I'm gonna do all of them gold.
You're going to do all of them gold? Okay, I will do my second one yellow. Okay. And my third one can be orange.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You're getting up with cool colors.
Okay.
That's a cool gingerbread man. Mine's gonna be actually a girl.
A girl. Oh, I see. All right, so now I'm going to start coloring the gingerbread man a brown color, which is a little lighter than what we used before.
Yeah.
And once I'm done, you can color yours, okay? Okay, now it's your turn.
Thanks.
Okay, everyone, we're done with our gingerbread man. What do you think? We hope you had fun drawing with us.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye!